NIO to 100. Alright, welcome back to the channel. Now, I'm sorry I didn't upload this past week. I've been busy at work.
You suck!
But now I've got a bit of time off, so I should be seeing more regular uploads. Anyways, as you can tell by the title, we are going to be going through NIO stock, my current favourite stock right now. I know some of you watching are die-hard fans of NIO, so I thought this video, I'm doing it for you boys. So if you do enjoy this video, please leave me a like and sub to the channel to not miss out in the future. Before I get into the video, I better say that I'm not a financial advisor, so don't listen to me and don't buy NIO. Seriously, do not buy NIO and do your own research before I tell you anything. Anyways, let's get into the video. In this video, I'm going to be breaking down what exactly NIO is and where I think it's going to be heading for the future. Alright, so currently I'm holding 268 shares in NIO at an average price of $49.79. And currently we're up 19.3% if we ignore the exchange rate. NIO is a Chinese premium electric vehicle manufacturer. It was founded in 2014 by CEO William Li. As for the history in NIO, back in October 2016, NIO announced that it had been given an autonomous vehicle testing permit. Move forward a couple years later to May 2018, NIO opened its first battery swap station, but with only their ES8 model being able to use this service. September 2018, the company IPO'd on the New York Stock Exchange. Move forward to April last year, it announced a $1 billion new funding from the Chinese government, which was needed due to the company's struggles to sell its vehicles. As part of the deal, NIO would transfer assets to the new subsidiary called NIO China. Moving forward to August last year, NIO launched their first battery as a service. In terms of their technology, they have the NIO Pilot. Launching their ES8 model, it consists of a trifocal forward camera, 5 radars, 12 ultrasonic sensors and a driver monitor camera. Back in November 2019, they announced a partnership with Mobileye to develop a consumer car equipped with Mobileye's complete Level 4 self-driving system to be sold for 2022. All of their current models include the ES8, the ES6, the EC6, all of which are SUVs, and the EP9, their sports car. And obviously if you've been following NIO, you would know of their NIO Day, where they released news of their ET7, their new sedan soon to be released by either the end of this year or the beginning of 2022. As for more upcoming vehicles they've got the EF9, their minivan, potentially going to be released for 2022. The ES3, another model of their SUV, again for 2022. And the ET5, the version of the sedan, coming potentially at the end of this year or 2022 again. Now if you bought NIO back last year when it was just under $1 a share, you'd be laughing right now. Currently NIO is sitting at just under $60, and I'm so glad I've gotten the price that I have. I initially bought NIO at $21 a share, however I sold for a quick profit as I didn't do my proper research into the company. Now it's my largest long-term holding, sitting at roughly just under £12,000 in value, which I'm not going to be selling for the near future. In my opinion, I reckon NIO is going to be one of the hottest stocks for 2021, as they're backed by their own government after last year's $1 billion investment, where NIO will inevitably help China's target of achieve 25% of all car sales to be electric vehicles by 2025. As forecasts go, if we go to CNN, analyst predictions for the next 12 months for NIO's forecasts, analysts have predicted a high of $100.46 a share, median of $98.60 a share, and a low of $15.19 a share, but we'll ignore that. The high is a 67% increase from NIO's current price, the median being a 15% increase and the low being a nearly 75% decrease. Now, if we head over to Market Watch, we can see that the forecasts of NIO on here are a lot different. I've got highs coming in at $648 a share, medians of $444 a share, lows of $98 a share, lows. Now we've also got some price tags from banks, including JP Morgan, who have put a price target on NIO of $75 a share. However, do be aware, as NIO are yet to make a profit. Very similar to Tesla, where Tesla have only just now made a profit within the last year. However, looking at NIO's earnings, they've absolutely crushed it for the past 3 quarters, and I cannot wait until Q4 2020, March the 1st or March the 2nd, we don't know. But yeah, this is, I believe, the next massive catalyst for NIO. But as for the last quarter, back in September 2020, NIO reported a 146.4% year-over-year increase in revenue, as well as 4,708 vehicles sold, which was a 133.2% year-over-year increase. Last month, they recently released their vehicle numbers, at which they sold just over 43,000 for the whole year of 2020. As you can see, the last major catalyst they had was NIO Day on the release of their ET7 news. Here we've got a screenshot of my position before and after NIO Day, at which NIO Day they had highs of roughly $66 to $67 a share. For the future, I see NIO being a massive player in not only the Chinese electric vehicle market, but potentially the global EV market. Biggest rivals right now are the likes of Tesla. However, a lot of people have come out and said that they reckon that NIO could even overthrow Tesla. There's rumours that NIO are potentially moving to America, potentially moving to Europe, but we'll just have to wait and see. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. As I said at the start, definitely do your own research and don't listen to a 19-year-old kid behind the screen. I just want to say big up to the 50 subs. Big up to 50 subs. I know it's only 50, but still means a lot that some of you have actually subbed to the channel. Anyway, if you enjoyed the video, leave a like, sub to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one. In a bit.